What is up, you guys? It is Janita here, aka Jay. If you are new here, welcome, and let's get straight into it. So today we're talking about contouring. Basically means shaping your face and framing your face to what you want it to look like. Contouring is basically shading, right? You will be putting in dark lines wherever you want to frame your face. So most people do their forehead. When you frame your forehead, you're basically making your forehead smaller, right? And you want to contour just a little bit here. I know there's people that go all the way in. That looks nice on some people, but I don't like contouring too much. So I like to contour here just a little bit, just where your sideburns start. You want to bring it in because that's exactly where your jaws are as well. So if you suck your face in, sideburns to a bit here, like mid face section, whatever it is called. From here to here is what you want to contour on each side. So that will basically frame my face to make it look more that shape, meaning high jaws, plumpier cheeks kind of feel going on. So the other thing you want to do is you want to contour over here. So why people do that is contouring your jaw and making your jaw look a lot nicer just along here. The other thing people do is they contour their nose. Most people like to make their nose long and thin, but I already have a long nose. So I usually just contour a little bit just around here, just to make this part here a little bit smaller. But I mean, seriously, this is my nose. I'm gonna live with it for the rest of my life. I don't have a problem with it. Learn to love your nose. If you haven't watched my last video was about color correcting and I ended it off here. So make sure you hit that subscribe button like now. So I went to grab my Bodyshop Darkening Shade Adjusting Drop. I know this is actually to make foundation a lot darker, but I use this as a contour. I'm puffing. I just went to go quickly grab this and come back, and god, so unfit. Yeah, I'm going on a hike, guys. All right, what we're gonna do with this, pop it on your hand, and I'm just gonna do dots. We're not going right down here, just what I've done so far is I've contoured here, I've contoured a bit here. So what I'm going to do when I'm blending it, I'm just going to mix that here and then slightly go this way. Then I've contoured my jaw. Now when you're contouring, this is basically, you shape your face to whatever you want, to be honest, okay? So I want my jaws to look a lot longer. I want my cheeks to look higher, and I want my forehead to kind of look rounder and not too small, but just a little bit small, especially around here. Okay, the other thing people do is highlight. We're going to use my Nars concealer to highlight, and the places you highlight is under your eyes. So you normally see me do this one. I normally highlight under my eyes. The other place I normally highlight is just on my forehead right here. Just a little bit on your nose. On top of your lips and right here. Last thing for contouring. I've said contouring so many times, I just don't want to hear myself anymore. We're going to blend this in. Let's start with the dark. You want to blend away from your face. See what I mean? There's like a little bit of a shading going on now. So with this one, you're going to go up and down. I'm going to leave it like that because I'm going to go back and blend it out. So with the jaw one, you want to go down towards your jaw, further down, like under here. So I've just finished blending all the dark areas on here. Now I'm going to go onto the dark area on my nose and then blend out these areas. So for the nose, I am using the Mikasa paddle brush. I'm not sure what it exactly is called, but I'll put it down below. So you can kind of see where I'm going with this. I'm just kind of blending it out. You can see the difference between this side and this side of what brightening and contouring actually looks like. I'm just going to do this and I'm going to come back. I'm going to blend everything in. Alright, so this is basically what my face looks like real close up. And this is contouring for you guys. Normally what I do is I use Prep and Prime again by MAC all over your face, let it dry up, and then you can put on your blusher, your highlighter, whatnot, which is going to be in the next video. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you in the next week. Let's keep it short, sweet and simple. Jay out. Follow me on my Instagram, Janita Jay TV. Yeah, so all my traveling photos will be up there, and when I come back, I guess there'll be lots of travel videos for you guys. Yay!